Surprising facts about alligators. If you think you've seen everything in the animal world, think again. Today we're diving, very carefully, into the universe of alligators, prehistoric creatures that survived extinctions, climate shifts, and continue ruling silently over dark waters. Get ready. Their curiosities will surprise you. They are direct relatives of dinosaurs. The first thing you need to know is that alligators are true living fossils. They belong to the crocodilian group, whose lineage dates back more than 200 million years. While dinosaurs disappeared, alligators remained almost unchanged. It's like watching a piece of the past swimming right in front of us. An alligator's bite is one of the strongest on the planet. Brace yourself. An alligator's bite force can exceed 2,000 psi, depending on the species, stronger than the bite of a lion, a tiger, or even a great white shark. But here's the curious detail. Despite the massive power to close their jaws, they have very little force to open them. Experts can literally hold an alligator's mouth shut using nothing but duct tape. They can go hours without breathing. Alligators are masters of physiological control. Under normal conditions, they can hold their breath for about 20 minutes, but when their metabolism slows, like in cold water, they can stay more than 2 hours without taking a breath. This makes them extremely efficient and patient predators. They communicate more than you think. Anyone who believes alligators are silent is mistaken. They produce sounds ranging from growls to vibrations that make the water tremble. Adult males can generate infrasonic calls that other animals can't even hear, yet they resonate powerfully through aquatic environments. Their eyes function like military equipment. Alligators' eyes have a special membrane and a structure called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light and enhances their night vision. That's why, when you shine a light over a swamp at night, their eyes glow red. They literally have built-in night vision mode. Alligators swallow stones on purpose. This may sound like something out of a cartoon, but it's real. They swallow small stones, called gastroliths, to help with digestion and also to adjust their buoyancy in the water. It's like using small strategic weights to improve body stability. They don't chew, they destroy. Despite their powerful bite, alligators don't chew food. They tear chunks off their prey and swallow them whole. To rip apart larger pieces, they perform the famous death roll, a fast, violent spin that literally separates parts of the victim's body. Temperature determines the sex of their babies. The definition of male or female isn't genetic as it is in humans. For alligators, the temperature of the nest determines the sex of the hatchlings. Higher temperatures tend to produce males, lower temperatures, females. It's almost as if the climate is the species' genetic engineer. They can run faster than you think. Although they look heavy and slow, alligators can run up to 17 km/h, about 10 mph, over short distances, especially on land. Not an incredible speed, but definitely faster than most people expect when seeing a 1-ton animal move. Their snout reveals. Their species alligators and crocodiles are often confused, but there's a decisive anatomical clue. When the mouth is closed, only the upper teeth are visible in alligators. In crocodiles, both upper and lower teeth remain exposed. A simple but very useful detail for telling them apart. Alligators play an essential role in the ecosystem. They are not just impressive predators. They are environmental engineers. They create pools and channels with their bodies, facilitating water flow and enabling many other species to survive during dry periods. When an alligator digs, the entire ecosystem benefits. They are more adapted to humans than we'd like. And here's a modern curiosity. Alligators have adapted extremely well to human-altered environments. They occupy dams, canals, and even urban areas near lakes. Despite that, attacks are rare and usually happen when someone gets too close. Alligators are creatures that combine power, strategy, and an impressive prehistoric heritage. They've dominated territories for millions of years and remain symbols of resilience and adaptation. If you enjoyed learning these curiosities, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Which one surprised you the most?